Hello everyone. So in today's video I'm going to share you how you can perform a force machine policy retrieval cycle. Like technically SCCM performs a scan every hour, but if you want to do it you can do it immediately so the device can receive the you can get the updates immediately. There are two ways. The first way is if you are logged into any of the device, simply go to control panel and you need to look for change the category to small. You need to look for configuration manager tab. Over here you need to go to the action cycles and you need to run the action cycles. Technically, to get the application and updates, the major evaluation cycle which you should run is machine policy. You need to run software update deployment evaluation cycle, user policy retrieval and evaluation cycle, and software update scan cycles. So these are the highly used. We have another few more as which is hardware inventory and so application deployment and software inventory cycle as well. So based on your requirement you can perform this scan manually. Now just in case if you want to perform this on large number of devices, that means more than 10-15 devices or entire collection, even 1000 devices, you can simply go to your console. Once you are logged into your SCCM server and the console, either you can perform this scan against the entire collection, just in case, like if have recently made a patching deployment and I want all the devices to receive the patches immediately instead of waiting for some more time. In my scenario, if I'm using this all desktop and server clients, I'll right click. I have to look for client notification and I need to run these two cycles. First one is evaluate software update deployment cycle, and another one is switch to next software update point. So if you run both the cycles just like this, whatever devices are there in this collection will start receiving, or they will perform the sync immediately instead of waiting for the next scan cycle. So this is how you can easily perform this. Even if you want to run it against a single device, you can just right click and go to client notification and you can run both the cycles, and within few minutes we should be able to see the machines are performing the scans, and whatever deployment we have made, it should start coming up over there. That's all for today. Thank you so much.